How to turn off page new messages notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page new messages notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down and click settings, and now click notifications, and here just click this one, pages you manage, and click cheat. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.